It's that time again. I'm packing up my apartment. If you've been here for the past couple of years, you know I usually move every single year, but I've actually stayed in this apartment for a year and a half, but I'm moving soon. I already started packing some of my stuff over here. I saved all of these boxes because I literally moved 3 years in a row every single year. So I'm starting to get everything together. I sold my couch, which used to be here, because I want to get a new one. I'm posting on Facebook Marketplace trying to sell this coffee table, that TV stand, and then also I am selling my entire dresser set. So all of those three. Hopefully I can sell them before I move. I've had them for about 4 years. I've moved like 3 or 4 times, so the furniture is pretty beat down. Some of it I got used, so it wasn't really exactly what I wanted. Long story short, I'm trying to sell stuff because I just want new stuff in general, but also to make the move quicker. I don't want to have a lot of heavy stuff to lift, so I'm gonna start packing stuff away. And honestly, I've already packed a lot. Like, it's pretty empty besides the kitchen. I've already packed away a lot of my clothes. I know there's still a lot left here, but if y'all saw how much there was before, I actually packed a lot and donated a lot of stuff already, as you can tell by these like dozens of empty hangers. So I'm gonna keep packing away and just leave clothes that I'm gonna wear over the next like week or week and a half. You're not helping me pack?
Nope.
I am so annoyed. So my lease starts today and I'm supposed to go pick up my keys from the new place today, but I have to go work today. So my plan was to move in tomorrow. I've already arranged to have movers. I still have a lot of stuff to pack that I was going to get done today after work and tonight. Why did my new apartment just text me? It is 9:05 when they text me, and they say they have movers that are going to be ready for me at noon because their elevators don't work. First of all, why are you waiting until 3 hours before and telling me that there's movers? Like, I have to plan for that. I don't have anything packed, and that would also require me packing up everything and getting it there, and the movers are only helping it move up. Second, why are y'all just now telling me the elevators are not working yet? It's a brand new apartment and stuff is still being built, but I thought elevators would be done before people moved in. So I'm annoyed because I could have gotten free moving if they had told me earlier, not 3 hours before. But at the same time, I still would have had to get everything out of this apartment. So I am honestly annoyed, and I really just don't want to touch anything. I hired movers because I've moved myself the last several times. It's a lot of work. It takes all day. I feel bad for having to get family and friends, and I just don't want to have to lift anything. So I'm gonna go to work. My hair's in these weird bun things. I have to go to Dallas for a couple of hours to shoot content for work and come back, and then all I'm doing today is picking up my keys to the apartment, and tomorrow I'm actually moving. I do have to get my own U-Haul, so in the morning probably just take an Uber or Lyft to the U-Haul, get the U-Haul, come back, and the movers are doing everything, and I return the U-Haul. But I physically do not want to lift anything. That is my goal for this move. I'm not lifting anything. I have a lot of stuff I have to pack, but moving is so stressful and so annoying, and that is my rant for this morning. But I'm really excited to get my keys. But this new apartment, their communication, and the fact that it's new and still under construction is just adding to the stress of it all. And I've lived in a brand new apartment before, and it has its perks, but it definitely has its drawbacks, which I'm seeing now. Okay, so today's Tuesday. I just went over to my new apartment and got everything together, got my keys. Actually, not a key because it's keyless entry, which I love, and everything is accessed through my phone. Originally I was gonna move Friday, but I'm actually gonna move tomorrow instead because my work from home days are Wednesday and Friday, and the availability for movers was better for tomorrow morning. So it is 4:37 p.m. and my movers are coming actually. So 10 a.m. I have to go pick up a U-Haul, and then 11 a.m. my movers are coming. So I have until really like 10 a.m. to finish packing at my apartment. There's still some of the bigger furniture items I haven't sold yet, but my lease to this place doesn't end until about 10-11 days. So I'm gonna leave the big items here, hopefully sell them before, but I have to pack everything up. So it's gonna be a long, busy night. Let's get to it. I don't have any packing paper, but I do have a big stack of computer paper, and I just really don't feel like going to the store just to get bubble wrap or packing paper, especially because I'm literally moving moving one street away. Like if it was a drive and maybe the boxes were like bouncing around, I would pack the glass better. But when I tell you from this apartment, I can literally almost see where I'm moving. It's like a 5-second drive. I'm just going to use computer paper.